and this only I will be uploading it. Okay. So guys, hopefully till this point we are good. We have seen lot of commands. We have got an understanding. So anyone has got the opportunity to read about Linux boot process, Linux operating system boot process? Anyone has? This is the link. Okay. But Megha has shared, Rahul has shared Etherpad. You can refer it. That is a live link. Okay. So what I was asking, did you guys have a got a opportunity to read about this thing? GitHub, sorry, this thing, Linux boot process, Linux operating system booting process. Uh, boot process. Any question on that? It's a widely asked interview questions, guys. It's not part of current curriculum, but what is this? Linux OS boot process. Great. VI editor assignment, you did it. Okay. Only one of you did the VI editor. How about others? You guys have done the VI editor? Two things I have given it. One document I have given you for reading, that is Linux operating boot process. And second is VI editor assignment. Only two. Okay. No issues. VI editor, I will be covering it. Linux operating boot process is something VI editor assignment I am not able to. No problem. We will do the VI editor. First 1 hour, first 40, half an hour, we will do the VI editor. First of all, uh, everyone has the Linux VM ready with you. Everyone has the Linux VM ready with you. Okay. In case no, then go and launch the Linux VM. Okay. 2 minutes. We'll be waiting 2 minutes. By the time I will explain the theory and you guys can do it. Okay. Give me a moment. Yes, yes. Take your time. Before I will teach you the scripting part and some of the internal, I will suggest go and do the VI editor. Okay. Sorry, go and learn about VI editor. Okay, so we will learn the VI editor today. Okay, guys. So hopefully I have everyone has powered on the instance. Let's understand first what is the understanding of editor. What we understand by the editor. So why I need a editor? See, you need the editor to write your code. Okay, so I need to create a file where I can go and write code. So that's where you need the editor. Okay, once the file is created using editor only, once the file is created, or not only the file creation, not only the file creation, modifying the code also, you need a editor. So editor is where either the, so what editor will do it, either it will create, if the file is not there, if the file is not there, file means the notepad you can visualize in your language, in our simple language, notepad is a kind of a editor only, notepad or notepad plus plus. Similarly in Linux also these terms are called editor. So using the editor, if file is not there, what editor will do it, it will create a file. If file is not there, editor will create a file. This is the editor thing. If file is there, if file is there, editor will open that file. Editor will open that file. It will not overwrite. It will not overwrite. If file is not there, it will create a new file. If file is there, editor will open the same file. It will not overwrite it. Not overwrite and create a new one. So first of all, understand the editor rule. Editor, as the name suggested, editor means who has the capability to edit what? Whatever you are writing in the file, that can edit it. So, but when editor is doing that thing, editor has the another capability, which is hidden capability of editor, that if file is not there, editor will create that file. Or if file is there, editor will open it, you can modify the code. So why we are learning it? Because the next topic which I am going to cover it is shell scripting. So shell scripting is what? You will be writing these commands. You will be writing these commands. And when you are writing these commands in a file, these are called shell. These are called, these files are called shell files or shell scripting files. Okay. So Linux command, when I put in a file for the execution purpose, and through the file I will be executing it out. That file is called the shell script. Okay. So whenever you want to write the script, you need to open a file. Inside the file, you will be writing the code. Once the file is created, you will be modifying that file. I don't know why you are not receiving the chat. Okay. Hopefully now you should receive the chat link. Okay. So is this clear? What is editor? If I say that,